Question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. See the question. There is a quadrilateral. Listen. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Okay, this is one of the condition. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay, bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. We need to prove this quadrilateral is a rhombus. So, bisect each other at right angles. So, meaning is that suppose this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Its diagonals are AC and BD. Diagonals bisect each other means, listen, suppose this point is O. So, bisect means divided into two equal parts. That is OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Okay, this is the meaning, bisect each other. OB equal to OD. Now, at right angles means, listen, these angles. These four angles equal to 90 degree, right angle. That is angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD and angle DOA. All these angles are equal to 90 degree. So these two conditions are given. We need to prove ABCD is a rhombus. So listen, to prove ABCD is a rhombus, it is enough to prove that all the sides are equal. It's enough. Okay. All the sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Actually, rhombus means opposite sides are equal and parallel and all sides are equal. So, all sides are equal definitely implies that opposite sides are parallel also. So, to prove a rhombus, it is enough to prove that all the sides are equal to each other. For this, let us take any two adjacent triangles. You can select any two adjacent triangles. So, here I selected triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Okay. And prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now listen, in this triangle, OA side and OC side are equal. OA equal to OC, it is given. Now this side OB, OB is common to both triangles. So OB equal to OB, okay, OB equal to OB. Now what about these two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC? Yes, AOB and BOC both are equal to 90 degree. So we have two sides and one angle. Let's see the triangle. You can select only one triangle. And here in this triangle AOB, we took OA side, OB side and this angle. So this angle is, listen, this angle is lies between these two sides. So what is the theorem? Congruence rule. Two sides and included angle, SAS. Okay. Therefore, by SAS congruence rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Okay. AOB is congruent to COB. Here apply CPCT rule. So, by CPCT rule, what is the side corresponds to AB here? Yes, AB equal to CD. Put it as equation number 1. Okay, we considered the two adjacent sides and proved these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Similarly, you can consider these two, triangle BOC and triangle COD. Apply the same concept. Okay, take any two side and included angle. So, by SAS congruence rule, we can say that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle DOC. Now apply CPCT rule. By CPCT rule, BC side corresponds to what? DC. BC equal to DC. Put it as equation number 2. Now take one more triangle. Suppose these two, AOD and AOB. Triangle AOD is congruent to, okay, AOD is triangle congruent to what? Listen, this one, triangle AOB. Again apply CP/CT rule. We get AD equal to AB. Put it as equation number 3. Now look these three equations. Listen, first equation is AB equal to CD. Listen, CD, second one, CD or DC, CD equal to BC. Now again from 3, AB equal to AD. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. These are our 4 sides of the quadrilateral, and these 4 sides are equal, which implies ABCD. The given quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Next is question number 4. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Okay. Show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So here we have a square. Square is given. Name the square as, listen, A, B, C, D. So ABCD is a square. Square means all sides are equal and all the angles. What is the angle? Yes, 90 degree. Here we need to prove the diagonals of a square are equal. First one, diagonals are equal. Second one, bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other. Third one, at right angles. So these two we need to, these three we need to prove. What is the first one? Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Look at the figure and name the diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC and BD. So first one we need to prove AC equal to BD. Second one, bisect each other. Bisect each other means suppose this point is O, then OA distance and OC distance. This is first one. Second one, OA and OC are equal. Similarly, OB and OD. OB and OD are equal. This is the meaning bisect each other. At right angles means, listen, these 4 angles equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD and angle DOA. All these angles is equal to 90 degree. So we need to prove these 3 conditions. Okay. For this, first we have to consider 2 triangles. We are going to prove diagonals are equal. So AC diagonal, you can take either ABC triangle or ADC triangle, because AC diagonal belongs to both these triangles. And similarly, BD diagonal belongs to DAB and DCB. So here I am going to select 2 triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle, listen, DAB. So ABC triangle means this one. Okay, ABC. ABC, this triangle. Now DAB means DAB, this one. DAB. DAB. Okay. So these are our 2 triangles. Now prove these 2 triangles are congruent to each other. So listen, in DAB and ABC, what's the common side? Yes, AB is common. So AB equal to AB. It is the common side. Okay. Now what about this angle? Angle A and angle B. Angle A, it is 90 degree. What is angle B? This is also 90 degree because ABCD is a square. So angle A is same as DAB. Angle B is same as angle ABC. So we can write angle DAB equals angle ABC. Both are equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now listen, what about AD and BC? Look at the figure. AD and BC. These two are equal because ABCD is a square. Square means all sides are equal. Okay. So we have two sides and one angle. Let us take this triangle only. We selected these two sides and included angle, isn't it? So two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle. Then by SAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So what are the triangles? Triangle DAB is congruent to, okay, DAB is congruent to triangle, see the order DAB, ABC. Now check, is it correct or not? AD side, AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC. Okay, it is wrong. So triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. Now check. AD equal to BC. It's okay. AB equal to AB. That is okay. DAB equal to CBA or ABC. Middle letter. It is 90. Okay. So triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. From here we can write, listen, BD. BD corresponds to what? AC. What is BD and what is AC? Listen, BD and AC are diagonals. So we proved diagonals are equal. Okay, diagonals are equal. Next one, we need to prove that diagonals bisect each other. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. So diagonal bisect each other means we need to prove, listen, this is our figure. A, B, C, D. AC and BD are diagonals. It is O. So diagonal bisect each other means OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. These two lengths are equal. That we need to prove. So for this, let us consider these two opposite triangles AUB and DOC. Triangle AUB and triangle DOC. Now listen, in these two triangles, AB side and DC side are equal because opposite side. AB equal to DC or sides of a square. Now listen, these two angles. Okay. These two lines are parallel, therefore these two angles are alternate angles. That is angle OAB, this angle, equal to this one is angle OCD. These two angles are alternate angles and therefore they are equal. And similarly, this angle, these two angles are again alternate angles. What are the angles? Angle OBA and angle CDO. This is also alternate angles. So in this triangle, two angles and included side. Okay, two angles and included side. Therefore, by ASA, two angles and included side, ASA congruence rule, we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now from here we can write easily by CPCT OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. So OB equal to OD, OA equal to OC means diagonals bisect each other. Okay. One, to prove, we already proved diagonal bisect each other. Now prove at right angles. At right angles means these four angles equal to 90 degree. For this, we have to take these two adjacent triangles. You can select any adjacent triangles. Here I selected these two, triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Okay, triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Now listen, in these two triangles, AB side and BC side, these two sides are equal. OB side is common. OA equal to OC, isn't it? Okay. AB, BC are sides of a square. OB is the common side and OA equal to OC. Just now we proved diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, by SSS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. What are the triangle? Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Now by CP/CT rule, let us take the angle AOB. So corresponds to this angle AOB. Here we get COB by CP/CT rule. So AOB means this one. BOC or COB this one. So what is this? It is lie on a line. This angle is lie on a line means linear pair. Therefore their sum is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB plus angle COB equal to 180. Now these two angles are equal. So here I am going to change COB as AOB. Now AOB plus AOB, 2 angle AOB. So what is angle AOB? 180 by 2. 180 by 2 equal to 90. So angle AOB 90 means this angle is 90, vertically opposite angle. This angle is 90, linear pair. This angle is 90. So all the angles equal to 90 means diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay. So this is our third one. So first we prove diagonals are equal. Then we prove diagonal bisect each other. These two together we call bisect each other. Then we prove all the angles AOB, BOC, COD, DOA. All the angles equal to 90 degree. That means diagonal bisect each other at right angles. Okay. So this is the property of a square. So square means all the sides are equal plus diagonals bisect each other at right angles also. Okay.